Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a life-saving gadget that's louder than my aunt during family dinner, the KOABBIT 2-pack combination gas and carbon monoxide detectors. Now, before you scroll past thinking, ugh, safety gadgets, snooze fest? Hold up, because I promise you this review is going to be funnier than your last kitchen disaster and potentially save your life. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's figure out once and for all. Which carbon monoxide detector is best? Which carbon monoxide detector is best? This KOABBIT duo might just be your new BFF. Alright, let's get serious for a sec. Just a sec, promise. Carbon monoxide is no joke. It's sneaky, invisible, and has zero respect for your boundaries. So naturally, I found myself spiraling down the rabbit hole of which carbon monoxide detector is best. And guess what I found? A dynamic duo that not only saves lives, but also gives off I got your back vibes. The KOABBIT 2-pack combination gas and CO detectors. Plug it in, walk away. Panic only when it yells at you. These babies are plug and play, which means even if your DIY skills end at screwing in a light bulb, same here, you can still get these installed. You just stick them in, glance at the bright LCD, and boom. You're officially a responsible adult. Pro tip, they also run on batteries for backup. Because of course your power would go out just when you're making garlic shrimp flambe. Sensitive enough to catch a scent before your dog does. These KOABBIT marvels have not one, but two types of fancy sensors. Catalytic, for the gassy drama, and electrochemical for the carbon monoxide sneakiness. Translation, they'll know something's up before your neighbor's nosy cat does. They detect everything from natural gas to that suspicious mystery fuel Aunt Linda uses for her rustic stove. The alarm? Let's just say, you'll never sleep through it. Ever been yelled at by a small plastic object? You're about to be. These things hit 85 decibels, roughly the volume of your mom yelling, "Who left the stove on?" from across the house. But hey, that's the kind of screaming we want when danger's sniffing around. Battery backup, because chaos loves company. Power outage? No problem. These detectors can run on a 9V battery too. Just make sure you actually install one. You're welcome for the reminder. The battery isn't included because apparently even life-saving devices love to keep things spicy. And when things are calm, it chills, literally. No danger, no problem. The LCD display just naps in silence like a well-behaved toddler. Power-saving mode means it's not trying to be dramatic 24/7. Final verdict, which carbon monoxide detector is best? If you ask me, and you're reading this so you kind of did, the KOABBIT 2-pack gas and CO detectors are like the superhero sidekicks you didn't know you needed. They're loud, they're sensitive, in a good way, and they won't judge your burnt toast, so go on. Be the hero your kitchen deserves, and that's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this review or laughed even once, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more hilariously helpful product reviews. Got any burning but safe questions? Drop them in the comments. Stay safe, stay sassy, and I'll see you in the next one.